Hey guys, morning. This morning I will make some pasta. Yeah, and I first time to make pasta too, so stay tuned and watch out. Yeah guys, so now I will light the stove and what we do, I warm the water first in the kettle. So I will light the stove now and make the stove up now. Yeah guys, so I will put in some warm water. Also, this is my pasta, so I'm going to open it now. Yeah. Okay guys, so I will put in the pasta and the pasta. Yeah guys, when I'm going to do the whole box, you understand Andy? So I will do a good amount. Guys, and remember more like, share, comment to the video. Also, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Yeah guys, so stay tuned, I'll be right back. Guys, I'm going to show you what I'm going in the pot now. You see it? Pot a boil up. And remember guys, if you put salt and don't put a lot of salt. Because you have some people when they make them pasta, them use butter and the butter with them use have in a lot of salt. So you have to limit the salt where you use. So guys, you go see the finishing look of my pasta. Yeah guys, this is the sauce I'm going to use on my pasta. You see the label, the big label on the front? Yeah, so stay tuned and watch my box guys. Remember guys, when you make a pasta and you go put the sauce, remember to save a little of the water where you boil the macaroni in. And when you put the sauce, if the sauce too thick, you use a little bit of the water and throw it in and mix it up. Guys, just stay tuned and watch one and I'll see what I want in the kitchen. Yeah guys, so the pasta finished cook now. So I'm going throw off the water and make it show up and make it show we deal with it. So stay tuned guys. Yeah guys, so the pasta finished now. I'm gonna put the sauce on it. I'm gonna try it. Yeah guys, so this is the sauce. I'm gonna put a little more, not too much. And guys, this sauce, I do not have to put any water. Believe that. So I'll make this water on. I don't have to put any water, and I'm glad. Yeah guys, so this is my pasta. I'm gonna make you see the finishing look when it's inside of the plate. Stay tuned. Yeah guys, so this is the finishing look of my pasta. See that guys? Yeah. Well nice and you understand what I did. So yeah guys, when more you to like the video, share, drop a comment and tell me what you think about this. And please remember to subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell as a video drop you can have it. I'm out.